Hey guys, Adrian here from Aussie Tune, 54 Kirkham Road, West Keysborough. Just want to show you guys what Nigel's working on today and what's happened here. It made a little bit of a mess. I'll have a look and then we'll go speak to Nigel. You guys see, nice trail of oil going on here. Nigel, what's happened here, mate?
Hey guys, so I'm working on a Renault van that was towed in. Didn't really want to crank over, so you'd turn the key and you could hear the starter motor really struggling. So we've done a couple of preliminary tests and I decided to pull the front off so I can have much clearer and nicer access. And thankfully, when I got Adrian to crank it over, I wasn't standing here directly in front of it, but to the side. When he's cranked it over, it has just thrown out a heap of oil, diesel, and potentially coolant out of cylinder number 2. So that's the mess on the floor. That'll be why the engine wasn't cranking over, because it was hydraulic locking. Taken a little bit of a sample, which is not super professional. We're trying to work out whether it's coolant, diesel, or oil at this stage, but there is definitely something going on in cylinder 2 and potentially 3. So whether it be an injector style problem where it's over fueling, an EGR cooler that's filling the system up with coolant, cracked head, or something else. Yet to determine what's going on, but I'm very thankful I wasn't standing in front of that, because what a mess.
That's it.